Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The honorable jurors that hopefully blessed by Allah, the honorable teachers, supporters, and all audience that I love. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nisa Anjani. I'm from Senior High School Muhammadiyah At-Tanwir Metro. Innal hamdalillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. May yahdihillahu fala mudhillalah wa may yudlilhu fala hadiyalah. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Amma ba'du. First of all, let's thanks to Allah has given us the opportunity to be present today at this place. Secondly, may salawat and greetings be upon our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has guided us from the darkness to the brightness. Sir Albert Einstein once said that knowledge without religion is blind, and religion without knowledge is paralyzed. So, on the such of a beautiful day, I would like to tell you all about my speech and the title, Sea and the River. Do you know the phenomenon of the meeting line between two seas or two oceans? Maybe you have heard or seen this phenomenon, but are still confused about why this happens. Maybe if you look at the map, there is only one vast ocean that stretches across the surface of the earth, which is mixed with each other, and one of the things that differentiate them is only the name. In fact, behind the different name, it turns out that the water has different characteristics, which cause a barrier between the two oceans that are adjacent to each other. The phenomenon of differences in seawater color. The dividing line between two oceans is very clearly visible, like the boundary between the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Strait of Gibraltar. These two oceans seem to be bounded by an invisible wall that doesn't allow the water to flow and mix. So, what makes the two not mix? The types of water in the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans have different densities, chemical composition, salinities, and water qualities, which can be seen from the color of the two waters. The boundary between waters of different biological property is called a marine climate. Basically, the phenomenon of the two seawater is not mixing is caused by the halocline. A halocline is a striking difference in salinity in a body of water. The boundary between waters. A halocline will appear if ocean water is at least 5 times saltier than neighboring waters. Thermocline is an event where the temperature decreases rapidly in sea waters. This can cause the two oceans is not mixing with each other, such as warm water from the Gulf Stream with colder water from the North Atlantic Oceans. Basically, the denser liquid should be at the bottom and the less dense liquid should be at the top. However, this doesn't happen in the ocean because the boundaries between oceans appear like vertical lines. Why not horizontal? The first is difference in density in the two oceans is not very large, so it doesn't make any of the water go down or up. However, it so doesn't make any of the water from mixing. The second is inertia, and the last is having molecular bonds or surface attraction force that cause the molecules of object to bond together. The two oceans is not mixing with each other. Allah said in the Quran, Surah Ar-Rahman, verse 19 and 20, A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Marajal bahraini yaltaqiyan bainahuma barzakhul la yabghiyan. He let two seas flow which both then met. Between the two, there is a limit that neither of them can cross. Well, the honorable jurors and all audience that I love, maybe that is only short speech that I can deliver to you all. I hope it will be useful, especially for me and generally for all of us. I'm sorry for every less and mistakes, and the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.